8 things women actually look for in a partner. 1. Women have two conflicting instincts when choosing men. On the one hand, women have the natural imperative to select optimal genetic traits, aka alpha males. On the other hand, women want men who can materially provide for their families. Commit to a long-term relationship and enjoy interacting with children, aka good relationship skills. 2. Women prefer high-status men. Women are 7 times more likely to have with superior rather than subordinate men. To attract women, improve your social status, give away stuff to make friends, help less fortunate individuals to show that you're above average. 3. Women are conflicted about money. Women want alpha males who show off their money like peacocks show off their tail feathers. For example, buying a round of drinks in a bar. But women also want relationship men who put their paychecks into a mortgage. 4. Confident men who handle stress well attract women. To attract women and improve your health, learn to handle stressful situations with confidence. 5. Women rate tall, strong, athletic males as very desirable marriage partners. Women are almost twice as likely to value physical strength in men as men are to value physical strength in women. However, most women have to be realistic and would settle for a male just slightly taller than themselves. 6. Men with good language skills attract women. Women love talking. To improve your language skills, take a creative writing class or memorize a few romantic poems or learn a foreign language. Foreign women will think that a man who can conjugate verbs correctly in their language will make a good husband. 7. Women select men who are, on average, 3.5 years older. Older men in general have more social status and emotional maturity. 8. Women need safety. She wants a man who can provide a safe and protective zone for her and her offspring. But at the same time, she also wants him to satisfy her emotional needs. So challenge her. Add a little bit of mystery and unpredictability. Give her drama, fun, and adventurous moments, and you're all set.